Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So today, at this very moment, I sat down to record my 7-day review of this hair and realized I did not record day one. I took the pictures for day one. I did some of the install video for day one, but I didn't do the actual introduction for day one. So we're starting on day 7 and here's what this hair looks like. I'm going to tell you the name of the hair, show you the number of packs that I use, how I installed it, but what you're seeing here is the hair fresh out of my bonnet on day 7. So the hair I have installed in my hair right now is the Outre Expression Deep Twist 4-in-1 crochet hair in the length 14 inches. It's inside this pack. All of my packs, the little label was stuck inside, so I couldn't pull it out. But here's what she looks like. And it has the 4-in-1, which basically is actually 2-in-1. But I will show you what the hair looks like. This has the rubber band that I love so much, so your length stays exactly where you want it. Here's what the hair looks like. And to install it in your hair, you just pull the band down. Once you loop it on, you can tighten it back up by pulling it tighter, or you can take the band off all the way together by just pulling up like this and letting the band pop off. And then you have the two separate pieces of hair that look like this. Now, here's what it looks like when I had one pack installed. It was really easy to get in. I made sure that I kept about 2 finger widths apart every time I put the hair in, from the bottom up to the middle, because I didn't want it to be too bulky. Here's what 2 packs looks like. Right about now is where I realized I was probably going to need to use about 5 packs. Here's what 3 packs looks like. I did pull a few of the bands off in the back just so I could see what it would look like if I separated the hair. Ultimately, I left most of the bands on. Here is 4 packs. As you can see, it's very full, it's very bouncy, and the 14 inches is really actually kind of long. A lot of 14 inches don't look like 14 inches. And then here's 5 packs. When I got to 5 packs, I realized I was going to have to open pack number 6 and just use a few more pieces. So ultimately I used about 5.5 packs. I have a half a pack left. And on day 4, I did add a couple pieces right here in the front. What's really hard about this hair is that it does tangle, and when you pull it apart, it gets very frizzy. I tried the pineapple method where you put your hair up front in a bun this way and then you wrap it like that. I tried just putting on the bonnet at night, and that's ultimately what I've been doing for most of the days. I also tried twisting my hair one time. That was a mess. To get it untwisted was so hard. I would not recommend doing that with this hair. What I will say too is that we try to do things to our synthetic hair that we do to our real hair. And the problem is, this is not hair. These are synthetic fibers. These are not hair strands. So the type of products that we use have to be different. So the moisturizers and the sprays that I put on my real hair, I do not put on this hair. The only thing I use to separate the hair is curl mousse. And you can see when you pull it apart, it just gets very frizzy. Frizzy doesn't mean not pretty, because it's still very pretty, but it's really giving frizz up here. And then underneath gets so tangled. And pulling them apart piece by piece does take time. So I believe each pack was $6.99 per pack, and I purchased 6 packs. I used 5.5. So $6.99 is basically $7. 6 packs, $42. I'm going to wear this hair for a couple more days, and then I'm getting something really cute done to my hair. But I feel like with a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of love, you can probably wear this hair for about 3 weeks. As you can also see, I did trim it from the first day that I had it in. I had the full length in, that I went to work. It was hot and I didn't want it all on my neck like that. I wanted my neck to be able to breathe a little bit, so I did trim it. One of the questions I've been getting asked a lot is, can you wash this hair or can you swim in it? You can. It'll just be a lot of work. I feel like it might be more work than you want to do for synthetic hair, but if you're wearing it for a long time and your scalp gets itchy, you can always do a dry wash of just your scalp. This hair is really not going to be that dirty unless you physically lay down in the dirt. But if you want to wash your scalp, I do have a video of some product that I use to wash my scalp when I have braids, but usually when I have the crochet hair in, I just leave it in and I don't wash it. I wash my scalp whenever I take the hair out. So can you wash it? Sure. Should you wash it? Probably not. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.